Save the Sound presents the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Save the Sound. Long Island Sound. If you care about New York or Connecticut, we work for you. All things climate, lands, waters. That's why we're joining the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Ecosystem restoration. Over time, we've exploited and polluted the land, air, and water. Cutting down forests, damming rivers, and building on marshes. Degrading our ecosystems has made us sick and vulnerable. Yes, enter ecosystem restoration. We help communities thrive by freeing rivers, greening cities, and restoring natural shorelines. Correct, and you can help. Join Save the Sound and #Generation Restoration.